Yo, what going on YouTube? It's your boy Young KD as always. And today I'm gonna be bringing y'all that Travis Scott preset. I'm trying to stay consistent with the rapper presets. Y'all suggest more presets in the comment y'all want me to do. But right now, I'm gonna let y'all hear what the preset sounds like right now. And just to let y'all know, these are real Travis Scott vocals. I just got the raw vocals with no mixing and no Autotune. But the preset will sound good on anybody, man. Trust me.
We go up in the valley where they spend meals on them nanays. Hurry up with my valet. Ain't got no time, no time, no time, no time, no time, no time, no time. Pop 'em all, you know what up. Call me up when it's over. In the hills, we get high. We go up in the valley where they spend meals on them nanays. Hurry up with my valet. Ain't got no time, no time, no time, no time, no time, no time, no time. Pop 'em all, you know what up. Call me up when it's over. In the hills, we get high.
It's lit. Yeah, man, so after hearing the preset in action, y'all can tell it really did wonders, and it sounds amazing. So I'm gonna show y'all everything I got on the preset and how I achieved this sound, and how you can achieve the same sound too. Hey man, first thing first, the first thing I did, I put the Autotune on 100%. Just like Future, Travis Scott likes that real auto-tuney sound, so 100% will do. You go anything lower, it's not gonna give you that Travis Scott sound, man. So, just by putting that Autotune on 100%, it'll give you that Travis Scott type sound. Alright, bet. So the first thing I put on the Travis Scott preset was a tape simulator. This just makes the vocals thicker and warmer, and that's what I wanted out of these vocals. It makes it sound better, more professional, more full. So here are the settings I got. Y'all play around with this effect if y'all want them full vocals. Okay, then cool. So after that tape simulator, we put on the graphic EQ. The graphic EQ plays a big role of getting a nice clean sound. So here are the settings I got. We're just getting rid of a little bit of frequencies that we don't want. So here's everything I got on the graphic EQ. As always, man, if y'all using this preset and it don't sound right for you, just change up the graphic EQ a little bit. Hey, that's why I make these presets for y'all, so y'all can have a head start on mixing y'all songs. Alright, bet. So after that, we added another EQ, the EQ 3M. On this EQ, I'm just taking out some of that 2500 hertz range. I don't like how that range sounds, and just by adding this and taking out around -5 can make the vocal sound a whole lot more clear and a lot more professional. So that's what I did to get that sound, man. Y'all copy these settings down. And if it's not perfect for you, you already know what to do. Just tweak it up. Alright, cool. After that EQ, man, the vocals sound clean as hell, but now it's time to add some brightness. So I pulled out the exciter. And Travis Scott, his vocals got that real crispy sound. So I got the harmonics turned up too, and it adds a little bit of artifacts to it. So here are the settings I got for that exciter, man. If y'all want it to be less bright, you already know what to do. Just turn it down. If y'all want more brightness, y'all can turn it up. Hey, but regardless, you're gonna need the exciter, no matter how much you use of it. It really plays a big role on getting that Travis Scott type sound. Okay, cool, man. Now the vocals sound nice and crispy, but the S's are a little sibilant and they peeking through the mix a little bit. So let's throw on a de-esser to control some of those S's, soften them up a little bit. So here are the settings I got. Frequency around 5500, threshold right here. Y'all can tweak this up also if y'all need to, but this should be a safe bet to get rid of those S's on. Okay, cool. So after that de-esser, the vocal sounds super nice and super clean. But now it's time to control the dynamics on. So I added a TechLab BA2A. The compressor just keeps the vocals kind of consistent and keeps them closer to the same volume. So that's what I was going for. Here are the settings I got right now. This compressor is a must on this preset. Alright then, bet. So after that, I added another compressor, the BL1176. Here are the settings I got. Using 2 compressors, it'll make the vocals pop out in the mix a little more, keep them more controlled. And this compressor brings a lot of volume. So here are the settings I got for this compressor, man. Okay, cool. After that compressor, it's time to add some reverb. Y'all already know I went with the studio reverb. Hey, Travis Scott got that real reverby type sound. So here are the settings I got. If y'all want more, y'all can just play with the size and the mix amount. And if y'all want less, y'all can just turn the size and the mix amount down some. But this reverb definitely does play a huge role on getting that Travis Scott sound too. Hey man, all the real ones that made it this far, you made it to the last effect. And the last effect is the D-Delay Plus. And it just gives you that nice echo, that nice delay sound, fills the vocal out. I was just trying to go for that Travis Scott type vibe. So here the settings I got. Hey, if y'all enjoyed the video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps out the channel a whole lot. I appreciate y'all for watching this far. Right now, I'm going to show y'all what everything is doing on the preset and what it sounds like on and off. And also, I'm going to show y'all what the whole entire song sounds like. I can't put the beat in, though. I ain't trying to get copyrighted. But hey, y'all enjoy it, man.
We go up in the valley where they spend meals on them nannies. Just hurry up. We go up in the valley where they spend meals on them nannies. Just hurry up. We go up in the valley where they spend meals on them nannies. Just hurry up. We go up in the valley where they spend meals on them nannies. Just hurry up. We go up in the valley where they spend meals on them nannies. Just hurry up. We go up in the valley where they spend meals on them nannies. Just hurry up. We go up in the valley where they spend meals on them nannies. Just hurry up. We go up in the valley where they spend meals on them nannies. Just hurry up. We go up in the valley where they spend meals on them nannies. Just hurry up. We go up in the valley where they spend meals on them nannies. Just hurry up. We go up in the valley where they spend meals on them nannies. Just hurry up. We go up in the valley where they spend meals on them nannies. Just hurry up. We go up in the valley where they spend meals on them nannies. Just hurry up. We go up in the valley where they spend meals on them nannies. Just hurry up. We go up in the valley where they spend meals on them nannies. Just hurry up. Yeah. We go up in the valley where they spend meals on them nannies. Just hurry up with my valet. Ain't got no time, no time, no time, no time, no time, no time, no time. Pop 'em all, you know what up. Call me up when it's over. In the hills, we get high. That's why I'm floating off that blue pill, blue drink. It got me like high. I'm a rock star rolling shop, but I got rakes. I've been rolling, I can't stop, I can't. I'm rolling off that blue pill, blue drink. It got me like ah. I've been rolling, I can't stop, I can't. I'm a rolling rockstar shop, I got rakes. I slip foes in, you ain't noticed. That's why you go hocus pocus. Take a trip out west, no alcohol in the soda. Can't last one night with the best. I'm going on 6 hangovers, cause I'm still whipping that Yoda. He getting close to that Rover, yeah. Oh wow. Lil' Flame, you got that fire, yeah. That's why I'm floating off that blue pill, blue drink. It got me like ah. I'm a rockstar rolling shop, but I got rakes. I've been rolling, I can't stop, I can't. I'm rolling off that blue pill, blue drink. It got me like ah. I've been rolling, I can't stop, I can't. I'm a rolling rockstar shop, but I got rakes. Oh, wow, 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 wow. Lil' Flamey got that fire, yeah. You dig?